Hot spots hurt. They're not only painful, but they're stressful for your dog and they're stressful for you too. Preventing hot spots should be high up in your priorities when it comes to your dog's care. And treating them without antibiotics should also be a high priority, and the good news is you can with the following list. Here are the best natural home remedies that can help ease the pain, itch and stress that comes with your dog's hot spot. But first, it's important to understand what hot spots are and how they're caused. What are hot spots? Hot spots are essentially an immune-mediated response of the skin. They appear as red, moist, irritated, sometimes oozy skin lesions that can appear anywhere on your dog. Hot spots also tend to appear suddenly, with no warning. If they're untreated, they can also spread very fast. So if you see one on your dog, it's important to get treating it right away. Also known as acute moist dermatitis, hot spots can be caused by an allergic reaction, a bug bite, poor grooming or underlying disease. They can even be caused by boredom or stress. Thick or long-haired breeds are most often affected. Whatever the cause, there are always safe and effective natural treatments. But before choosing a solution, you'll need to understand the cause of your dog's hot spots. What causes hot spots? This is a question of watching your dog closely and thinking about what has happened recently in his life that might have caused the hot spot. What could the cause be? Has he been somewhere where he might have been bitten by an insect? Is his coat matted in the area of the hot spot so the skin underneath can't breathe? Has he eaten anything unusual that might have caused an allergic reaction? Or at some times of year, perhaps he's been exposed to environmental allergies like grasses, pollens or molds, or even scummy pond water, that might have caused a reaction. Does he have a sore spot such as an achy hip or knee that he's been licking or chewing? Does he have fleas? Flea allergy dermatitis can also cause hot spots. Or maybe there's an emotional cause. Is he getting enough exercise and mental stimulation, or is he bored? Does he get upset being home alone, or is there some other change in his home situation that could have caused stress? Once you know what's causing the hot spots, you can choose from some of the options below. But first, you need to know you can get through this without antibiotics or conventional drugs. And you really need to try hard to do this. Why not use conventional treatments? Using conventional medications such as antibiotics is not a good idea and can even be harmful over the long term. How to treat hot spots naturally? If your dog develops a hot spot, you can start by trimming the hair around the area and cleaning any pus or dead skin. Just remember that this spot can be quite painful, so just be careful. Here is a list of proven natural remedies you can use to replace those conventional drugs, and these natural remedies are actually more effective as they won't stress your dog's immune system, making it less likely for those hot spots to come back. Topical hot spot treatments. 1. Calendula. Calendula can be used to treat hot spots caused by various types of skin irritations. It comes in many forms: cream, salve, oil and lotion, teas and tinctures. This well-known herb can reduce itching and inflammation and promote quick healing of skin tissue. And the best part is, it's extremely effective for calming the itch. You can buy calendula products at any health food store. It's safe for your dog to ingest if he licks it too. For hot spots, you'll want to avoid tinctures made with alcohol as they can sting or irritate the area. Apply calendula liberally on the affected area and repeat as often as needed. You can also try this recipe. Calendula lotion recipe for hot spots. What you need: 1/4 teaspoon table salt, 1 cup of filtered water, 20 to 40 drops of calendula tincture. Mix together the salt and the water. Add the calendula tincture. Use a clean cotton ball to sponge the lotion onto the hot spot 2 to 4 times a day. 2. Hypericum. Hypericum is also a great option for treating hot spots. Also known as St. John's wort, this herb is useful when combined with calendula to reduce pain and inflammation, and to promote healing. Hypericum and calendula tincture diluted in water, Hypercal, is an effective and relieving antibacterial wash for hot spots. You can buy Hypericum and calendula tinctures on Amazon or at your local health food store. Then put 12 to 15 drops of each in 1 cup of warm water. Use the water as often as necessary to relieve the itching and keep the hot spot clean. Don't forget to dry the area with a clean cloth when you're done. You can also buy Hypercal already made, just ask for it at your health food store and they'll know what it is. 3. Coconut oil. Coconut oil has antifungal properties and can be useful both topically and internally, and it contains medium-chain triglycerides that complement the omega-3 oils. If your dog has a tendency towards yeast infections, adding coconut oil can be helpful. Alternating different types of oils is a good way to include coconut oil in your dog's diet, feeding coconut oil one day and omega-3 oils the next. You can give your dog 1 teaspoon 5 milliliters of coconut oil per 10 pounds of body weight, or 1 tablespoon per 30 pounds 13.6 kilograms of body weight. But ease into it gradually, starting with about a quarter of this amount, then build up slowly. Topical hot spot cream recipe. You can make a topical cream with coconut oil and oil of oregano to fight the bacterial infection and calm and soothe the irritated skin. All you need is coconut oil and oil of oregano. To make it, blend together 5 drops of oil of oregano with 5 teaspoons of coconut oil. Apply it to the hot spot once a day.